Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you want to make extra money on the side? If so, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll discuss the top 5 side hustles that can help you make extra money. Side hustles are becoming more popular than ever before. They are an amazing way to raise your income, improve your financial situation, and follow your passions. The importance of side hustling and the top 5 side hustling that can earn you extra cash are covered in this video. So take a seat, relax, and let's begin. A side hustle is an additional employment opportunity outside of a person's full-time job that provides supplemental income. Unlike a part-time job, freelance writing is a great way to make extra money on the side. If you're a skilled writer, you may generate a respectable income by creating content for clients, such as blog posts and articles. On platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr, you can find freelance writing positions. Another excellent side business that might help you earn extra money is online tutoring. You can volunteer as an online tutor if you have expertise in a certain area. On services like Chegg and TutorMe, you can locate online tutoring positions. Managing social media accounts for companies might bring in extra cash if you're excellent at it. Numerous companies are searching for personnel to assist them in managing their social media presence. Employment sites like Indeed and LinkedIn are good places to look for social media management positions. If you love animals, pet sitting is a great side hustle that can help you make extra money. You can offer your services as a pet sitter to people in your local area. You can find pet sitting jobs on websites like roverandcare.com. You can earn additional money by driving deliveries for businesses like Uber Eats and DoorDash if you have a car or a bicycle. You can deliver food to local residents whenever you wish and make money doing so. Skills, the current market, the number of clients you accept, or the hours you work on your projects. According to Forbes, side hustles are an excellent way to increase your income and explore business opportunities with little to no upfront investment or significant time commitment. And according to Indeed, a profitable side hustle can generate $500 to $1,000 of additional income per month. Oberlo suggests that you could make anywhere from $50 to $2,000 a month, depending on the side gigs you take on and the platform you use. In conclusion, there are many reasons to pursue a side hustle. Side hustles can be a great source of income and can help you achieve financial stability. Side hustles include freelance writing, online teaching, social media management, pet sitting, and even working as a delivery driver. If you are interested in pursuing a side hustle, check out this side hustling. Thanks for watching, and until next time.